Can you see?
Okay.
Can you
Yeah.
see me?
Yeah. And let's do it. I would love a gallery view. And if you're doing your dough with your knuckles, bring it up. Let's do a screenshot of everybody knuckling their dough.
Knuckling the dough.
All
Let's
right. Yeah. Let's see everybody. Hold it up. Woohoo! Fantastic. This is awesome. Wow. Wow. We've got some beautiful doughs out there. Rick, your dough looks perfect.
wow.
All right.
That's so fun. Yeah. Okay. Can you feel how the dough is elastic and doesn't tear? I think that's amazing. So it should be very thin in and almost translucent. Can you see me? No.
But yeah, it does look like you're making a ghost costume.
Yeah, a ghost. I'm a ghost.